Good morning. It's about 9:45. What do we have here? June 9th and southbound this way. Had a little hard time figuring it out. Took about 5 minutes to figure this one out. Yeah, this has got to be southbound here.
Yep, that's it. Yep.
Yeah, that's your head. That's your direction.
Yep.
Yeah, how far are you going?
4 miles in and 4 miles back out.
Gotcha. I gotcha.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good. You don't have to carry too much. Yeah.
No, well, not 2 weeks ago, my son and I were up in Maine.
Yeah.
And we did 80 miles up there.
On the trail?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
It was awesome. Yeah.
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 How are the bugs? Probably none. None yet.
We were a little early for it. They were starting to get a little bad.
You're exactly 16 miles ahead of me.
What?
You're exactly 16 miles ahead of me.
How does that work?
Well, see, I have to go down south 16 miles.
Back to the White Rabbit?
Back to, well, I've got the White Rabbit here,
Okay.
and then I'm hiking to the Honda CRV.
Gotcha.
That's today's hike.
Well, that way it's mostly all flat.
Yeah.
Have a little climb and then a little downhill, maybe a 4 mile stretch.
Yeah.
And then 15 flat miles.
15 flat miles, yeah.
Flattest part of the whole trail.
Yeah, this is the part, yeah, you know, I was kind of on injured reserve there. Yeah, so I just exchanged some information with a couple Bostonians. And anyway, back to what I'm doing today. 16 miles to the south. This is going to be my longest day. I'm told that it's really pretty flat, which I knew. Fair amount of water on the trail. I had prepared 4 liters. I'm only going to take 3 based on what I just heard. That's it for now. Beautiful day. Might hit the low 80s. Very level hike. If I'd been in a little bit better shape, you know, 20 plus would certainly be in order. So you can see we're going to be covering a lot of farmland, going over a ridge. Beautiful. Well, we can see that the nature of the trail has changed quite a lot. From what I understand, maybe the next 60 miles or so are going to be somewhat like this, although this is one of the easiest areas on the trail. Well, on a warm day, this is where you want to be. Maybe on a cold day, you still want to be here. All right, I've run into this young gentleman. He's a little bit older than he looks. He looks like he's about 29. He might be, what, 49, 48?
52.
52. His trail name is Ski Dog.
Yep.
Yeah. And he's hiking with a buddy of his, Dr. Bob. And I think we may have, I've run into Dr. Bob, of course, three days in a row, too. Ski Dog's just going to give us a quick little rundown of how he likes the trail, what he's doing out here. It's all yours.
The trail's excellent. I mean, I'm a disabled vet, and I did some PTSD courses up in Detroit and Saginaw Bay, and I heard that the trail was where it was at, and this is the best thing I've ever done in my whole entire life. It's given me some peace, some setbacks back into my mind and my life, and it's just so peaceful, and the serenity is awesome out here. You know, going up and down these mountains, and they told me I had a 50% chance to ever walking again, and I'm walking the trail now.
You're a stud. He is such a stud.
I'm a wounded.
He was down in Panama in the late 80s.
Yes.
And you can't see it now, but here he is, and if he can do it on 2 prostheses,
yes,
hip on down,
yes,
he is more
total
than a
knee
stud.
replacement. Shoulder.
As far as I'm concerned, he is the epitome of the stud on the trail. Good job. Thank you for your service, Ski Dog. Okay, so I'm southbound, pretty much due east of Carlisle, Pennsylvania. I've been to Carlisle, Pennsylvania one time in the past. It's about 25 years ago. I think it was maybe the year after my dad died. And I'm going under this tunnel, and this tunnel is taking me under Route 944. But like I said, Carlisle is due west of here. I may have said east. Very often I mix things up. I'll call a month a week, I'll call a week a month, I may even call a month a year. Anyway, first tunnel under a road I think that I remember. So that's where I came from. I'm about halfway through today. I think at about 8 miles. I think I have I believe I have 8.5 miles to go. I just figured it out and I forgot it already. What else is new? Very nice bridge here. Kind of comes in at an angle and shoots out at another angle. So you know you're ready to cross a nice body of water here. Let's see what's coming up. Well, I've been following a stream. Not this stream that I'm crossing over. This feeds a larger river off to my left. So it's very wet in here. Stomping his feet like that. Is he threatening me? Okay, big guy. I'm gonna run over. I'm not gonna get close to any of your friends. I'm gonna go off the trail. And I'm not gonna hurt you or touch you. You can threaten me and all your friends. I don't want to make any of you nervous. Especially if any of you are big old bulls. What do we call this? I think it looks like a great 7-man offensive line. In the center, that white guy right there, he is raring to go, man. He's only got about 40 flies on the front of his face. No wonder they got that tough skin. These guys I got a couple of great tight ends there. That center looks like he's pretty fast. A couple of guards ready to pull out. Okay guys, have a good day. Railroad tracks here running east-west just between the Pennsylvania Turnpike and 81. The significance of the train, the little engine that could, and I think I can. Okay, got a blueberry tree. I'm gonna have these babies right off the tree. Got a mile to go. Used to pick and eat a lot of blueberries off the blueberry tree in the hometown. Over at the tennis courts. I'd forgotten all about that.